What if an AI tool could find your next winning product faster than hours of manual research? Today, I'm testing Accio Work live to see if I can find a product worth selling in 2026. No fake hype, no sponsored nonsense. Real test, real results. And by the end of this video, we'll see if this tool is useful or just another AI trend. But let me tell you why this matters. Finding a winning product is where most people fail. They waste weeks searching on TikTok, scrolling ads, spying competitors, checking marketplaces, and usually ending up selling something already saturated. So if AI can reduce this process from days to minutes, that changes the game, especially for beginners, especially for solo entrepreneurs, especially for people who want speed. But wait, I'm not letting AI choose random junk. We need a real product with these 5 criteria. 1. It solves a problem. 2. It has emotional or impulse buy potential. 3. Good profit margin. 4. Easy to ship. 5. Not insanely saturated. If it meets these standards, the product has potential. So now let's move on to the action by installing Accio Work. You're either gonna need to go to accio.com directly or use the link in the video description so you can get thousands credit to start. Once you're there, you're just gonna need to click on download Accio Work, save the application into your computer, and wait for the download. Once the download is there, just click on the application and follow the steps to install the Accio Work. Now you click on the application to run the Accio Work. Once you're there, you're gonna need to sign up. You can either sign up by using an email or sign up by using Gmail. In my case, I use Gmail. It's easy, fast, and I'm gonna grant the access to it. The sign up process is so easy. Now Accio Work is in my computer. I have an account now, and I can open it to start looking for that winning product. So I'm inside Accio Work right now. This platform is built by Alibaba.com to help entrepreneurs with sourcing, research, product discovery, and automation. So before going through the steps to find the winning product, let me first show you the Accio Work dashboard. At first, you're gonna see agents here. Agents are kind of people or person that use AI to help you with your journey, with your e-commerce journey, with some tasks related to daily social media posting. For example, I'm going to show you that one, my Twitter account. My Twitter account is an agent that I created to create me daily post about mindset that you can see here. If you check my Twitter account, this post had just been made by AI. It was made by Accio Work Twitter agent. To see agents, here is Shopify operators that can handle Shopify store tasks. It's gonna assist you, guide you step by step based on your theme and on your store. For example, this agent is a coder. For people who want to create an app or something, you can write, debug, modify, create codes, and the things are unlimited if you want to create an app. I'm going to show you later how to create a new agent that I'm going to assign tasks to find me winning products. In this area here, those are the messages and all the things I made there in Accio Work to help me with my tasks. Capabilities, it can show you scheduled tasks. For example, here, mindset tweets, afternoon. Generate a short, inspiring tweet about mindset. Maximum 280 characters. This is what I posted. This is what I gave my agents to do every day. This is gonna be done automatically and accurately. The tab connector is so important. This is where you're gonna connect your social accounts or your Gmail, for example. As you can see here, my X, formerly Twitter, is connected. The connection is easy. You're just gonna need to click on connect and you connect, for example, your Gmail account to Accio Work, and it's gonna handle the daily tasks for you. You can connect LinkedIn, Instagram, GitHub, and there are more to come here. For example, YouTube. This is gonna be great. Once your YouTube is gonna be there, I'm gonna connect my YouTube channel to give some daily tasks. The tab skills is so important for people who wanna look for a winning product or a supplier for their product for their store. The sub-tab here is sourcing. You can assign to your agent the capability of sourcing product. You can assign to the capability of product supplier sourcing. You can also connect that with AliExpress, because AliExpress is also a product of Alibaba.com. Here is the CG dropshipping, API, sales negotiator, etc. The sub-tab, research and selections. You can see all the details here about it. There is also a sub-tab about product design, sub-tab about content and GTM, sub-tab also about SEO and ads. As you can see, Accio Work has unlimited capabilities to help you with your e-commerce journey. You will find, guys, the link in the video description so you can get thousands credits for free, so you can start checking Accio Work. That's gonna help you, that's gonna save you a lot of time, and what's more important, it's very accurate, not like other AI tools. The tab for plugin, as you can see here, it's about e-commerce and startup competition. You can use those plugins, for example, with your e-commerce platform, something to connect and to automate the tasks. The tab channels is where you can connect, for example, your Telegram account, your Discord server, DingTalk, WeChat, and many more. The tab pairing is to manage who can interact with your bot via IM channels and direct your agents. This is if you want to create a bot or something, you're gonna authorize it, and you can see also the pending pairing here. And the tab team is to create your team. For example, I can create a team about Shopify operator, about coder, about social media posting or social media management. I can also create financial analyst and many things. So this is great for people who work alone, because you can have your own team, your whole team, while you're working alone. And this team is gonna be managed by AI to save you time, money, and more important, it's very accurate. So now let's move on to the serious things to find the winning product using Accio Work. The first thing I'm gonna need to do is to click on New Agent. Here are some pre-made agents. For example, Daily Assistant, for example, for your social media management, like what I did with my Twitter account. Here is Shopify Operator, Coder, Dropshipper, etc. I'm gonna use the blank agent here. I'm gonna click on Next. Here I'm gonna give it a name. I'm gonna name it Winning Products Finder. Here you can choose your avatar. This is not so important. I'm gonna choose a random one, and here you can give it a description. I'm gonna name it Winning Products Finder from China to resell on Shopify. Here is the vibe. You can assign to your agent to be professional, friendly, creative, concise, casual, or expert. You can, for example, choose creative if you want to create videos or images or something. I want to choose expert. For the model provider, I'm gonna let it for auto. You can choose, for example, just to search information from Gemini, from Qwen, from OpenAI, from Cloud or something. I'm gonna leave it to auto. I'm gonna click on Next. In this step, you can choose or select tool categories and workspaces. You can, for instance, if you don't want to use any images or media, you can turn off this or toggle it off. I'm gonna leave them all here because I wanted them to be an expert and give me the most suitable winning product in 2026 and beyond. Now I'm gonna click on Next, and here are the skills. You can add from recommended skills here, for example, sourcing, SEO, etc. I'm gonna select sourcing. I'm gonna also select research and selection. I'm not, for example, interested in SEO and ads for now. I'm not interested neither in store operations and setup. And by the way, you can modify this afterward if you forgot something or wanna assign a new skill to your agents. I'm gonna select shipping and tariff. I'm gonna click on Next. Here, what to call you. My name is Marouane. English. I'm gonna select the city here, Denver, Colorado. So it can give me a suitable answer for dropshipping, for winning product, where you can ship them from my area. This is good for Shopify to calculate the shipping, etc. I'm gonna click on finish. And now my agent is being created. Here is my agent. So the next step, I'm gonna chat with my agent so he can find me winning product. So here's the prompt I'm gonna give my winning product finder agent. Find me 10 winning e-commerce products for Shopify dropshipping in 2026 for US market. Must solve a problem, source under $10 and sell for over $25. Easy shipping, strong emotional appeal, and not oversaturated. We're gonna run it. As you can see, my agent, one of my agents is searching trending dropshipping products for the US market. Another one is searching for 2026 e-commerce consumer trends for the US market. And here, high margin, low cost dropshipping product. So it's kind of many agents in one agent. One is sourcing for the US products, one is sourcing for the margin profit, and one is sourcing for the price I'm giving to them. Here you can see the type of product that my agent is giving me here. There are a lot here. Meanwhile, my agent is giving me the answer. One important thing here compared to other AI tools, Accio Work is giving you accurate results depending on the current week, the current day, and the current year. So all the details that's gonna give me is adaptable for the current situation, not something or old data that are outdated. So here is the answer from my agent. You can see all the details here. Each product, the problem that the product is solving, the sourcing price, the targeting retail, the emotional appeal, and the marketing angle. It gave me 10 products here. So what I'm gonna be doing here, I'm gonna try to import that in an Excel file with the links of the sourcing products and all the details about the pricing, etc. So we can get them into my computer and start doing kind of an e-commerce store. So I'm gonna tell my agent here, please export all the data in an Excel file. As you can see here, this was quick and very accurate. Also, a quick note on security. Since this involves supplier communication and business workflows, data handling and account safety are built into the platform. Always important when you're running real operations. So my Excel file is here. I can download it to my computer, and here is an overview of the Excel file. So here is the problem solved. This is so important if you want to make money online, because you're gonna need to solve a problem. For example, here, manual cleaning labor. Here is the product that's gonna solve this problem. Here's the sourcing price, here is the retail price, and here is the profit margin, 85%. So I can use this product. For example, if I choose this product, I can run a store around it and I can make a profit margin of around 85%. This is great. And I can also, for example, ask them, I'm gonna choose this product here, this product. I will choose this product. Please give me the supplier details. So here is the supplier details. One supplier, second supplier, third supplier. And each one with its price range and all the details about them. So I can refine the result. Each time I can refine and refine the result until I get the result I want. Honestly, guys, any other AI tool can do these results in a very fast way, and more important, in a very accurate way. As you saw, guys, in just few minutes I was able to download Accio Work to make my AI agent work for me and find me 10 winning products, and I downloaded this in an Excel file with the links of the suppliers, with all the details about the pricing, the retail price, the profit margin, everything, guys. So now you don't have any excuses to not to tell me I can't make money online. You have this opportunity, guys, and if you click the link in the video description, you're gonna get instant thousands credit to try out Accio Work. With this Excel file, I will start making my e-commerce store tonight. All what's remaining is the marketing strategy that I can ask also Accio Work to give me the best strategies for it. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you have any questions about Accio Work, you can put in the comments below or contact Accio Work support team. They are available 24/7. See you in the next video.